Hey guys, hear that sound effects. That's very funny that I did like this. Can you do this? That looks so funny. That looks like it's funny. That's that's funny. But that's a mouthful. That's a mouth fart. That's funny. That's very funny. But that mouth fart is very funny. Bro, why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? I told you stop talking in class. Oh no, the teacher has found out that I did the noise. The teacher has found out, so I will never do that ever again. Wait, I'll just do it quietly. Oh, shit, I made that sound. I shouldn't have forgot to be quiet. Has he? What is that sound? Why is he talking? What is that sound? Okay, I'm just gonna do something for this. Okay, the teacher has not found out that I made the noise. What happens if I do it loud? Let me do it quietly. Oh, I messed it up. Oh shit. No. I made a noise. I made that sound. I'm very sorry. Let me do it quietly if I could. No, I didn't mean by that. No, I'm sorry. What did I tell you about talking in class? I told you better. Come on, you're going to principal's office. You're going to detention. No, I'm sorry. No, you're coming to detention.